of Fires campsite there, and we had a really nice night here. The ocean is a bit rough, but it's beautiful to look at, and the sun is coming up, and we're gonna go to our next destination. We are going to the gardens, and that is also situated on the Bay of Fires, and we might go to the Suicide Point, and we'll see what attractions this area have to offer. So we're gonna continue our journey to the next beautiful location. So just be with us and enjoy the journey with us. Alright, see you at the next place.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. I'll see you at the next location.
Bales of hay.
This looks different, doesn't it?
That's feed for the cattle. There's the sunrise. Look at that sun.
Yeah.
It's going to be a nice day along here. Wait.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at that. There must be a rock out there that the waves are hitting. Area. Welcome to the gardens. It's some rock garden.
Yeah. Hey guys and girls, we are at the Bay of Fires conservation area now. The gardens it is called. So we're gonna go and look at the gardens. I think they are the rock gardens. We go and have a look. Enjoy the journey with us guys and enjoy the scenery. Alright, so this is the walkway to the Bay of Fires conservation area. Holding the beach, there's the birds here, they lie their eggs there. So we do a little exploration here. Platform here guys, to the rocks, the gardens. East Coast Wild Trail. The Tasmanian Devils in the area. There are these rocks. They got this really orangey color on them. They're very unique. And today the day is a little bit overcast. Otherwise with the sunrise and sunset, and then these are magnificent. Look at the color guys. How pretty it is. The Garden of the Rocks. That is beautiful, isn't it? Magnificent. fires, that's where we are. And it is very unique, it's beautiful here. It is a beautiful location, and I will share the photos and the videos I have made around this area with you guys in my next YouTube video. It is certainly a beautiful place to visit. Beautiful, beautiful area, very well kept. staying at the Bay of Fires campsite. We went to the gardens. Now we have returned back to the St Helens, and we are looking for somewhere to have a breakfast. Yeah, so we're gonna find somewhere to breakfast now. It has been an amazing journey along this side of the
We
coast.
left here, I think.
Yeah.
Right? The big takeaway.
The big takeaway. What's that takeaway for there?
Yeah, what's that there, mate? Yeah, the Bay's kitchen. Are they open? It's Sunday. I don't think anything's open. There's coffee there. What does that say? Closed.
Central.
Coffee Central.
The Bay of Fires.
There's banjos.
They open?
Yeah, they got lights on them. Go back to banjos.
Oh, we'll
Yep.
go to bank. There's a bakery there. What's
Oh,
this
there's
one
a
here?
bakery.
Homemade
Oh, we'll go
salad.
to the bakery then, huh?
Can we just park here?
Healthy homemade there. Why not?
Is that a park?
I think so.
We are in the main street of St Helens, looking for somewhere to have breakfast. We're gonna go to the banjos. And I'm very hungry. Hi, what's that? We just stopped at this place called Banjos
Bakery
Bakery.
Cafe
Yeah,
in St Helens.
in St Helen. We have nice hot chocolate here and some breakfast. It was a lovely
Croissants.
sitting here.
Yeah, croissants. And
Yeah.
we're sitting out in the sun and
Yeah,
it's really nice.
looking at the people and the traffic going by, and we're just gonna take our time today, and we might drive to Bicheno and maybe further than that. It all depends what else we can find on our way. So we had a lovely day so far. We went to the gardens at the Bay of Fires. We've done some photography there and some videos there. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Keep supporting the channel, please. I will see you at the next place when we stop. We have just spotted the Serpentarian Wildlife Park. We might drive there and see if it's open. And if it is open and not far away, we might go there and explore that. How far would that be? We had a lovely breakfast at the Banjos in St Helen, and we are back in the vehicle.
We were going to go to the Serpentine Wildlife Park. However, it doesn't open until 11 a.m, which means we'll be sitting around for an hour when we could be travelling to the next little town or the next bit of excitement we're going to come across.
Yeah.
So we made a decision to get back in the vehicle and move on.
Move on and see what else we can find. And if we find something, we'll be sharing with you guys. So stay tuned.
So we're going across the bridge, exiting St Helens. And there is a lovely little marina there, so if you do stop at St Helens and you want to have a breakfast or a lunch, make sure you come down to the marina first and check it out.
Nice little bay there, isn't it?
Lovely little bay, it's safe for all the boats.
Are we on the right side?
I didn't see any signs. Did you see the signs? More rhododendrons up here, the bright red.
Look at that.
They're called rhododendrons, and they're all over Tasmania.
Yeah.
Caravan park up here, 100 metres. So if you're caravanning and you want a powered site, there's a caravan park up in there.
Yeah.
Oh, here's an oyster farm, guys. There's an oyster farm
Yeah.
here. Well, they got the oyster trays, so there must be an oyster farm around here somewhere. Well, there's some people fishing down there. We hope they get oh, that's a nice little spot.
Yeah.
walking tracks.
Nice drive too.
Oh, how pretty is that looking out at that, guys?
Yeah.
The sun shining, the morning sun shining on the sea, and it's just like glittering diamonds. Oh, gee, that's pretty.
Yeah.
Now all these bay areas, you know, if you've got a canoe, these are all safe areas to go out on your canoe. Get a bit of exercise. Another little jetty. You want to do a bit of fishing off the jetty.
Yeah, nice little drive.
Another little parkland area there if you want to stop. Have a bit of a break. Go for a walk. look at this.
Just out of a beach now, we're gonna explore this nature world, and hopefully we will be.
No, not to be this side.
Hopefully we will be able to see some Tasmanian devils.
Oh.
Hey, Tasmanian devils! Wow. We're just gonna stop at the nature world near Bicheno today and see if we can find any Tasmanian devils or other native Australian animals here. This is the nature world, just out of Bicheno, East Coast of Tasmania. We'll see if we can see any animals in there. We are inside the wildlife park now and see what we can find here. So stay tuned and keep watching. There'll be some nice animals. There are some nice animals here. We're going to capture and some birds and a white peacock. So stay tuned. Yeah.
White peacock.
Yeah, we'll show you the animals and the birds.
Where's the sanctuary for that? It's a long way away.
Yeah, come on. You can, you,
Where's that? Oh, what's that?
hello? Hello, little one. That's a beautiful one.
What is it? Oh.
Hello. Yeah, look at
Gonna get in there,
that. Look at that one.
She's having a drink. Be careful it doesn't turn around and claw your face.
The good thing about this park is that some animals are free out here. It's not like a zoo.
Yeah.
Yeah, some of the animals we just saw, they're quite out in on the grassed areas. So there's some ducks there too, another kangaroo. So we are just going to the Tasmanian Devil area first because it's a feeding time. So we're gonna go and see if we can find any. Alright? Tasmanian Devil. Hopefully find the Tasmanian Devils here.
When they actually brawl, it means that they're less likely to have fake colours. So, yeah, they
Did you
don't
get
like
that right?
to get visible, but they do need that sort of camouflaging advantage as well as drawing attention.
Look at them. Beautiful Tasmanian devils there. Hello.
Yes. Be careful, Ron.
Yep. Ooh. This wildlife park here is very friendly, amazing animals and the birds. And look, we spotted a white peacock. White peacock. I never seen one before. Look how beautiful he is. Oh, she is, I don't know. Yeah. Look at the white peacock.
Yeah, she's beautiful, Ron.
The highlight. Hello, beautiful one. Yes. You're gonna stand up now, are you?
Oh, she's going to put her feathers up quickly.
Yeah, look. Oh, yeah, look. She's beautiful. Look at, oh, how beautiful she is.
Don't frighten her, Ron.
Yeah, look. She is beautiful. Look.
Look at that. Maybe sort of one in the background now. Yep. Oh, look at the cockatoo.
Hello, little one. Just wait, love. Yeah, just wait. Come stay near me. Look at this one. Hello?
Oh, there's a white one there right in the tree.
Yeah.
That's the one that bit her.
There's a peacock here too. at the beautiful peacock.
Hello, Wombat.
Hello, beautiful.
Wonder they don't dig.
We have just stopped in Bicheno and we're just gonna try some seafood here. We found this place called the Lobster Shack. Hopefully it's open. And I'm very hungry and we're in there too. So we're gonna go in there and try some seafood there. We are at the Lobster Shack and we have ordered our meal and having a drink, celebrated drink for the day. We are really loving our day today. We're having a beautiful holiday.
Amazing,
And
right?
we're just gonna sit here and enjoy the moment with a beautiful view of the water.
The Lobster Shack, don't forget to stop here.
In Bicheno, there's the Lobster Shack, that's where we are. Guys, once the meals are here, we will share the meals with you guys too. Till then, we're just gonna enjoy the drink and bit of sun.
Perfect.
Yeah, we're just gonna have our
gonna
lunch
eat.
in here.
Eat with me.
Yeah. Just gonna have lobster. Oh, there's beautiful food there, salad and chips and lobster. Beautiful area to sit and enjoy your lunch and dinner, waterfront in Bicheno. And then from here we're gonna go to the Cowles Bay and find a camp spot for us and stay there for the night. So just keep enjoying with us, guys, and yeah, keep watching our creations. Cheers. So we just been to the Lobster Shack, tried the lobster, had a drink, and it was fantastic. Good food, good drinks, good service. So highly recommended. The Lobster
What beautiful
Shack.
fresh.
Yeah, in
Lovely.
in Bicheno. Now we're gonna go to the Cowles Bay and find a camp spot for us. And we'll see what else we can find on our way. We had a busy day today, but we absolutely loving it. Tasmania is beautiful. Yeah, you must visit here when it's safe to do so. Alright, so keep watching and keep enjoying the journey with us. The Lobster Shack. the Causeway Caravan Park now. That's where our spot is, and we're just gonna walk to the beach.
The last bit of the sun.
And enjoy the last bit of the sun, have a drink by the beach, and just take in the view. There's a beautiful view here.
Oh, it's stunning view.
Yeah, we had a lovely day again today. Look at the view, guys. This is stunning, isn't it?
She's fresh.
Yep. See you guys here. This is absolutely beautiful. From here tomorrow we will try to see the wine glass bay, but for now we're gonna just settle in for the night, and we will see you guys tomorrow from the Cowes Bay, East Coast of Tasmania.
Let's go.